Welcome back to RamZland. Today we're making golden pennies. Okay, so the first part of this lab is take a petri dish, fill it halfway with water, and add a little bit of sodium hydroxide to your water, maybe like half a teaspoon. Stir it a little bit. Put your heating plate on low, so just warm it up a little bit. Take some zinc powder and put about half a spoonful again with your water and sodium hydroxide. Stir it a little bit and then add your pennies. Make sure it doesn't come to the boil and just kind of stir your penny around in your mixture. And after about 15 minutes, you should get a really nice zinc penny, a silver penny. This is the first step to creating your brass alloy. And now we're ready to add our zinc pennies to the wok. So take turns and go ahead and place your penny on the wok. Just drop it on there. Who's next? Come on, Brianna, add your penny. Good. Who's next? Go ahead. Good job, Emmanuel. Who's next? Thank you. Good job, Nagoy. Francisco, good job. Now, there you go, Javion. So we're gonna wait and let those pennies heat up. And as they do, remember, the zinc is mixing with the copper to make the alloy brass. Right now, they look pretty shiny, very silvery. We want to wait until they start to look like, look at that brass penny. So they start to look like that, okay? And they're going to start to change pretty quick. I can see that one's starting to change color. That one right there is starting to, ooh, look at that one's really starting to look golden. Look at that one. This one's taking its time. All right, so give them a minute. They're changing color. I'm here with Francisco, and he is getting his golden penny off the hot plate, and he is rinsing it over here. And we want to see if that copper and zinc turn to brass. Look at that. Look how yellow it is. Wow, perfect, Francisco. And now I'm here with Sequoia. She is going to rinse off her brass penny that she made. She's rinsing it off. Look how bright it is. Okay. And yep, dab it on the tissue there, kind of dry it off. And let's compare it to our zinc and copper pennies. Look at that. Beautiful. Awesome. Okay, Brianna's ready to take her golden penny and rinse it off. And let's see if it turned to brass. Look at that. That is amazing, Brianna. What a bright brass alloy you made. Perfect. Good job. I'm here with CuZn, and he is ready to remove his brass penny that he made by mixing zinc with copper. Yep, rinse it off. Look at that beautiful brass penny you made. Fantastic. Good job, CuZn, you little metallurgist, you. And I'm here with Nagoy, and he is ready to rinse off the brass penny that he made by mixing zinc with copper. And just rinse it off there. Perfect. And then kind of clean it on the, that's perfect, Nagoy, good job. Okay, and then let's compare it to those other pennies that you have there and see how yellow it is in comparison. Look at those brass pennies next to the zinc pennies. Wow, those really are beautiful. Okay, this is part of my exit interview. I'm here with Javion. Javion, would you hold up your zinc penny? Let's take a good look at that. Now, Javion, is zinc an element?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's on our periodic table of elements over here. And hold up your copper penny. And JV, is copper an element?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Now hold up that yellow brass penny. Now tell me about this brass penny. Is that an element?
No.
No, we can't find brass anywhere on our periodic table. It's not there. So if it's not an element, what is brass?
An alloy.
Yes, it's an alloy. It's a mixture of copper and zinc. Good job, Javion. And I'm here with Brianna. Now, Brianna, I see your brass penny and your zinc penny and your copper penny. So, Brianna, is an alloy, is that a physical change or a chemical change?
A physical physical change?
Yeah, it's a physical change because you're just mixing the metals together. Way to go. So, Brianna, is an alloy, is that a compound or a mixture?
A mixture.
Yep, it's just a mixture. Good job.